Today I'm going to teach you how to export a Power BI report to a PDF file directly from Power BI Desktop. This is incredibly useful when you need to share your reports with stakeholders who may not have access to Power BI, or when you simply want a static version of your visualizations for presentations or archival purposes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Power BI Desktop application. Make sure you have the report you want to export already created and saved within the application. This ensures that all your data visualizations and dashboards are ready to be converted into PDF format. Once your application is open and your report is displayed, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the main menu bar. Click on File. This is where you'll access all the primary file management options available in Power BI Desktop, including saving, opening, and of course, exporting your work. After clicking on File, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen with various options. Look for the option labeled Export and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you convert your Power BI reports into different file formats, making it easier to share and present your data in ways that suit your audience's needs. From the export options that appear, click on Export to PDF. This initiates the conversion process where Power BI Desktop will prepare your report for PDF format. The application will start processing all the pages, visuals, and data points in your report to ensure they're properly formatted for the PDF file. Now, you'll need to wait until it loads. This might take a few moments depending on the complexity and size of your report. If you have multiple pages with detailed visualizations, the process could take a bit longer, so be patient while Power BI Desktop works its magic in the background. During this time, the application is ensuring that all your charts, tables, and graphics are rendered correctly for the PDF output. Once it loads, it will open as a PDF file. The PDF will automatically launch in your default PDF viewer, allowing you to immediately review the exported document. At this point, you can check to make sure all your visualizations have been captured correctly and that the formatting looks exactly as you intended. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Power BI report to a PDF file. This PDF is now ready to be shared via email, uploaded to a shared drive, or included in presentations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.